This is the Samsung Galaxy A23, and today we would like to demonstrate how you can set up and enable the VPN/proxy connection on this device. So first of all, make sure that your smartphone is connected to the Wi-Fi. Then you gotta launch the Google Play Store in order to connect our smartphone to the VPN, or establish a VPN connection, should I rather say. We will use the courtesy of the free Play Store app that is called Turbo VPN. So let me just go ahead and install as well as download it. Once you have successfully gotten this app on your phone, just launch it. Then tap on the agree and continue button over here. And after that, in order to turn on the VPN connection, you gotta skip the ad, of course, and tap on this little caret icon over here. You can see by this little key icon at the status bar that the VPN connection has been successfully established. Once you do not longer need it, you can basically change the server as well. There are quite a lot of servers in the free version of the app, if you'd ask me. And if you would like to disable the VPN connection or turn it off, you just gotta, let me skip the ad real quick. So you need to tap on this cross sign over here and then choose the disconnect option. And as you can see by the fact that this little key icon at the status bar has disappeared, we have been successfully disconnected from the VPN network. Alrighty, so that would be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.